using a graduated cylinder. So when I fill the graduated cylinder, I'm going to fill it mostly full straight from the container. Now this is water with a little bit of food coloring in it just for the purpose of this video. I need to add a little extra water. As I'm doing this, please notice the yellow ring around the graduated cylinder. The purpose of that ring is called a bumper, so in case the graduated cylinder falls over, it doesn't break the cylinder. It has no value in terms of measuring. So again, I'm filling this graduated cylinder till it's fairly close to the top. I don't want to go over. When I get close to the top, I will need to go slowly, adding a drop at a time. So I'm going to use a pipette. These pipettes, transfer pipettes, are stored on the top of your lab shelf. Get a clean, dry one, and I'm just going to slowly add it. Now, as I'm adding this, I want to have the fill line at my eye level. If you're looking at this too high or too low, you will get a measuring error. Now, if I'm doing a calibration or determining the volume of this, I should have a background mass of the empty cylinder before I begin this process. Once this is filled, I will go to the balance and get a mass of the cylinder with the liquid. When I go over to the balance, depending if I'm in room 210 or 213, make sure the balance reads 0 before you place anything on the balance. Now, as I go to put the graduated cylinder inside the balance, notice how this graduated cylinder is taller than the balance itself. Before I put anything in, I'm going to wipe it dry to make sure that I don't have any wet rings on the graduated cylinder. But notice how it doesn't fit through the side door. So when you have a tall object like this, I will put it in through the top. And then as I measure it, by necessity, we have to keep the top open. Wait for the weight to stabilize and grab that weight. Now, if you wait too long, you'll notice that number will start to drop because the water will evaporate.